This is Please Stay Chihuahua, and it's the candidates part. So we've got left hand 5 is on middle C, and you're in a 5-finger lined up position, and then right hand thumb is on the C above middle C. So in the right hand, we go 5, 3, 1, and then the left hand immediately follows with thumb, 3, 5. Then you do G's together, F's and E's, and then short D's, back to E's, hold it, balance, and land on the C. Okay, I'm going to play that first line again. So it's 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. G's, F, E, D, E, C. Then we continue like the beginning again. 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5. This time we go all the way down from G's at the top, G's, F, E's, D's, C's, and land at the bottom. Okay, I'm going to play all the way from the beginning. Next bit you go from the bottom, so left hand finger 5, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, G's, F, C's, D's, E, mind the gap to C, then from the bottom again, 5, 3, 1, 1, 3, 5, G's, F, E, D's, C's. Then we do the whole first section again. Gap. All the way down this time. Okay, without talking, I'm going to play from the very beginning. And then this is a duet, so there will be another part that gets played with it.